Okay, it's another nice Saturday. Well, it was earlier. I'm with Isaac today. He's doing another POV photography vlog, but this time, as you can see here, I'm using the Sony a6400 telephoto lens. I have the 24-70 as a backup, but yeah, today I want to use this because I love this lens. But yeah, what are you using today?
24-70 to start.
On
Probably
the A7 IV.
Okay. Probably my Helios in a moment, actually.
Ooh.
Or just go straight to the Helios. Make things interesting. Come on, where are you? These adapters to points change.
Okay, let's get going and find some stuff to shoot. Okay, I'm just
Too zoomed in for sure.
I am too zoomed in, definitely. I might grab this and I'll do a horizontal, but I don't know. Okay, this is better. It probably looks better on the Action 2 than it does on the 7250, but at 70mm, it's very tight. I'm gonna grab that. You're probably too tight here as well. I'm gonna zoom in a bit to get. Oh yeah, there you go. Stay there. Get rid of that. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
There's. So I've got one
Nice.
wide,
Nice.
a little bit tighter, and then I went super close.
There we go. That's awesome. Thank you. I don't know. I got something with the interesting, like.
Oh, that's
bokeh,
cool.
whatever.
Oh, because you're looking straight at
Yeah.
me as well. We always do
I'm
that.
just looking, no, because I'm just looking for the bokeh. I'm just looking for that interesting like, spiral bokeh. That's the whole point of this. If there was more lights that like, if there was sunnier here and the light was leaking through.
Yeah, we lost a bit of sun early on. Isaac and I were just saying that when we first went out shooting, you kind of have to like warm up. So you have to take some random shots first until you get you'll find your feet basically. And this, you guys are gonna see a massive contrast, like the wide on the Action 2 to the zoom on this. It's gonna be crazy. I think I'm too zoomed in, so you kind of need to think differently with this lens. You have to kind of look down the road or across the road to get the shots that you want to get.
Oh look, a squirrel.
Where?
Right there.
This is it?
Yeah.
I mean, you have to go loud. Look. Ah, he's running away. There's a light on there. That looks dope. I vibe that. Nice blue sky.
Yeah.
Ooh. I kind of like that. Random.
Holding the cap right outside the lens. So like I have it here, and honestly, I'm just see how like I'm literally focusing.
Oh yeah.
But I can go macro mode too. Yeah, if you don't mind, just like want to snap a picture of just like this or something. Yeah.
Could be like with your shoe like that or something.
Yeah.
So you should get. I don't know if that's gonna be too much.
I don't know.
I have to be further back though.
Oh, do you want to? Actually, no.
That actually looks good.
Yeah, just like focused in on the nail and the shutter button. Like, let me know if I need to move my finger around the shutter. You want to take one more, just like more like closer, like zoned in, like.
Oh, you actually want to be right in?
Yeah, right in there, like just like my hand. Like, tell me, like, is the heart predominant?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
stay there. I actually like this.
Yeah.
There you go. This is what that was. And I got that in camera as well.
That's what I wanted. Thanks,
There you
man.
go.
That's it. That's it.
This whole YouTube video is based on me chasing a squirrel. Oh, there we get it. It's just, he's in a shit location. Don't, that's it. Oh, no, don't stop running. Come on, my friend. That is wonderful. I did get him, but he's not in the location. Oh, there's another one up the tree.
There you go.
Nah, they keep hiding. Oh, that's it. I'll give up. I've got one shot.
Is that the wide open?
Yeah, that's wide
70.
open. That's
Yeah.
at 70. But that I kind of
And just crash zoom in. There you go. There you go.
with the trees a bit. I think that's better. Do you reckon I should manual focus this? Might be very hard.
Honestly, I'm starting to lean more and more towards manual focus these days. in general. Like it's become half my workflow.
I kind of wanted someone to walk through, but we'll move on.
Okay.
Well, that was a good shot. I didn't see that. Okay. The old man standing there is so good. Want to kind of get the focus on him. I just need a car to come across. We might have to move. Oh, wait. Oh my god, there was like 2 Audis as well. The BMW looks sick.
Nice, yeah.
Am I gonna... Nah, she just walked away. Oh, wait. Come on. Oh, that's alright. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. I see what you mean. It's a bit of a louder shutter to us. Like higher pitch. Go elevated and I'll come down afterwards. Oh, there you go. Yeah. I would say face more towards me.
Face towards you.
Yeah, there you go. Stay there. Left. That's it. Stay there. That is lovely. I'm gonna go portrait. Get your bag in as well. Step back a bit further to get your shoes in. I like the contrast. That's actually fucking dope. You're good.
And I got it back. It came back with a brand new Sigma cap on it. I was just like, wait a second. It's like, yeah, my Sony cap. Are you gonna plane? Nice.
Well, you.
Why is it so? That's crazy fisheye.
Oh, I put the ultra wide on because I don't know. I just prefer, I think again mainly for FPV. I may have got that one.
I totally understand.
Risking it for a biscuit. Amazing. Yeah. We just finished Starbucks, and all suddenly I see this, and I want to take a picture. Let's bring that down. I'm vibing this. I do want to zoom to the dragon. The sky over there is nicer.
Yeah, let's start heading there.
Right. It was cold and windy. I think it's died down now.
Yeah.
We're in now King East by Gooderham Building. After stopping for a coffee to warm up our hands because it was bloody freezing. And now we'll just keep on walking east and see what we can find. Alright. This is kind of cool. Ooh, I kind of like that. Again, 70mm. Are you in the zone now?
Not really.
Oh, okay. That's why I just went quiet, because I was like, I'm trying to focus and trying to get something. Is that a Jaguar? I want that car, but it's so tight. Oh, there we go. That's lovely. and wait for that. I want to wait for this car. Perfect. Stay there.
Oh yeah, any compression, it's gonna be quite.
I actually love that. Maybe the one with the blur too. Damn.
Nice, man. Nice.
It came out nice with the colors. I was like, I saw it and I was like, that's perfect. And then this was going off. Oh, we found the car. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, man, that's good. I'm gonna come down. Do I look at you or look at the camera?
Now look at the camera.
Oh, the lens flare!
Yeah, I don't know, just like the bokeh between the lights. Yeah, that's a good one.
He's gonna stop now, isn't he? I'm not in rhythm. They're going too slow. The glow is dope. You know when you have a vision and you're like, I can't get it because of the lens? This lens gives me what I need. Fuck yes, man. Oh, yes, I like this one. I'm gonna get the car in the way, that could be fine. Alright, cool. We're gonna end the video there. Thanks for joining. Maybe on the next one we'll do another one. We should do some food BTS for you.
We totally could.
Okay, you're gonna take a snap with your Kodak?
Until next time.